So please excuse no makeup face, but I have something really exciting. Not scissors. Look what came in the mail. You can't tell, but it's my new, what is it? MacBook Air. So I decided to do an unboxing. My new baby. Yeah. I'm not good with scissors. So, upper things. So brutal. Okay. 11-inch LED backlit widescreen notebook from Apple. Okay, I don't care what everyone says. I like Macs. Every time I tell one of my friends that this was coming, they're like, Mac. I hate plastic. It's a fancy box. It's magnificent. It's so little. Look how tiny this thing is. Set you there. Got, what is this? Hello? Manual? No one's gonna read that. Then charger. Is that it? That's it. Okay. So this is my new baby. This is what I'll be making videos on. I started this channel actually because I was getting this. Look how cute. That is what you will be seeing me through from now on. So yeah, I am really happy with this. This just makes my life so much better because I've had the same computer since 5th grade, so that's not that much fun. It's kind of the Mac Mini, like when they first came out. So that tells you anything. Yeah, so basically now I have a laptop, so I don't have to have my bed right next to my desk because I have a desktop right now, and so like desk, bed. So I get to move my desk that way and my bed that way. And I'm excited. Okay, well, expect videos coming soon. And yeah, I'm excited. Okay, bye.